To my fellow graduates, parents, esteemed faculty and staff, to the Board of Trustees, headed by Ma'am Mary Grace G. Sakay, and to our guest speaker, Reverend Jomar E. Caparaz, a pleasant morning. As I stand before you today, I am filled with mixed emotions, excitement, nervousness, worry about the unknown journey that lies ahead. Yet, amidst all these feelings, one thing remains abundantly clear. Gratitude. Gratitude for the incredible journey that has brought us to this moment. And gratitude for the unwavering support of our families. And gratitude for the guidance and mentorship of our dear teachers. Most of all, I praise and thank the Lord for giving me all the wisdom and knowledge to help me finish my elementary journey. Without Him, I can't do anything. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. Today marks the culmination of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Each of us has a unique journey, faced our own challenges, and triumphed over adversity to reach this milestone. But we didn't do it on our own. We owe a debt of gratitude to our families who stood by us through every success and setbacks, cheering us on and believing in our potential even when we doubted ourselves. I would like to thank my family, my mommy, daddy, Adriel, and Nanay for giving me all the support throughout the school year. And mommy, daddy, I know you've both worked hard together para lang mapag-aral mo ako. And now that I'm on the stage right now, I just want to say, I am proud of you both for not giving up on me. Always remember that I love you both. Mommy, thank you. Kahit pagod ka galing from work, still, hands-on ka pa din sa pag-aaral namin. We also owe a profound gratitude to our teachers and mentors, who have not only imparted knowledge, but have also inspired us, challenged us, nurtured us, taught us how to think critically, and encouraged us to pursue our passions with zeal and determination. I would like to thank all of my teachers, Teacher SB, Teacher Debs, Teacher Joanne, Teacher Dia, and my advisor, Sir Milburn. Your dedication and commitment shapes us into the individuals we are today. Sir Milburn, thank you for being our advisor, a father, and a friend to us. And to all of my classmates, let's all pursue our goal. As we look to the future, let us carry forward the lessons we have learned and the values we hold. Let us never forget the support system that has brought us to this moment, and continue to cherish and nurture that relationship as we embark on the next chapter of our lives. In closing, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to every one of you, my classmates, my friends, my teachers, my parents, our beloved principal, Ma'am Lorna, my school, JLS CCFI, and all the others who have supported me along the way. Today is not just a celebration of our achievements, but a testament to the power of community and collective effort. Together, we have reached great heights, and I do not doubt that the best is yet to come. In Philippians chapter 4, verse 13, says in the Holy Bible Recovery Version, I can do all things in Him who empowers me. Once again, congratulations to Jesus Lord and Savior Christian Colleges Foundation Incorporated graduates, batch of 2023 to 2024. I am Andre Yuan P. Obra with high honors, saying thank you everyone and God bless.